Like, I wouldn't recommend it if you have diabetes or something like that, but hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. Today we are preparing another quick dessert, or it could also be a beverage, whichever way. It's called Cafe Bonbon. So from what I understand, this originates in Havana, it's Cuban, but it's also found in countries like Spain, the southern parts of Florida, and so forth. It's literally a 1-to-1 ratio mixture of sweetened condensed milk combined with some espresso coffee. Now the coffee I'm using today is right here behind us, is the Master de Cafe Forza 2. Now these coffees are delicious, they're aromatic, they're flavorful, and the taste is absolutely mesmerizing. Now with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Great, let's get started. So first off, some plain old sweetened condensed milk. Let's pour it about halfway, and the other halfway we'll do our espresso. I think this can actually be like deadly sweet. Let's not make it actually too full. The ideal glass for this would actually be a cordial glass. I'm using a champagne glass because it's what I had available. Great, condensed milk's in. Now we'll pour an equal portion of our espresso. And there we go. As simple as that. This is an ideal recipe for on the fly, looks like it. So have your sweetened condensed milk by your side, or keep it by your kettle or something, and pour yourself some of these delicious, well, quick desserts or beverages. I don't know what you want to call it exactly, but yeah, that's about it. Let's quickly give it a taste. Well, you're not smelling the condensed milk at all. The coffee is so strong and it's absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and give it a sip. You can see how it mixes the condensed milk with the espresso. Wow, that's actually really good. Like, I wouldn't recommend it if you have diabetes or something like that, but wow, this is absolutely amazing. You should actually try making this from now on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.